Assalamu alaikum, dear students. Hope you all are fine. In learning Arabic calligraphy series, I am going to teach you the detailed practice of the letter Daal. Meanwhile, I will suggest you and request you to please subscribe and like and share the videos of the channel. So let's practice. So I have drawn these three dots and then draw a horizontal line, then start from here, make head of dal head, and then draw a line, vertical line over here, and here you have to draw 5 dots, 1 2 3 4 5 dots, and then here. So we are going to write dal. It's very easy. Have a look how to move. So I have drawn one dot over here, so it should be till here. We have to stop dal over here. So I hope you understand how to write dal. It's very easy. Please subscribe and like the channel. Thanks.